3 legal tricks to beat a speeding ticket. Ready to use tonight? Here's the plan. A countdown from 3 to 1. You'll see how to use paperwork, proof, and video to shift the odds. Laws differ by state, and this is education, not personal legal advice. Most drivers just pay because court feels confusing. But the rules already give you tools. Use the system the way it was designed, and you can reduce fines or even win. Trick 3. Paper first. In some states, you can contest a ticket by mail with a trial by written declaration. You write a clear statement of what happened, attach any photos, diagrams, or documents, and submit by the deadline on the form. The officer is required to submit a written statement too. A judge decides based only on the written record. If the officer doesn't file, the record can be thin, and some drivers win because there's not enough evidence. If your court offers a follow-up in-person hearing after a written decision, you can usually request a brand new trial if you disagree with the result. No mail option where you live? Ask the clerk for a continuance and move your hearing to a later date. A reschedule gives you time to prepare and sometimes lands on a day the officer can't attend, which may help your case. Either way, you've bought time and put everything in writing. Trick 2. Demand proof. File a simple discovery request if your local rules allow it. You're asking for the officer's notes, any sworn statement, the make and model of the speed measuring device, and the most recent calibration or certification records. Be polite and specific. Include your name, citation number, hearing date, and a short list of documents you want. Send it by the method your court accepts, often mail, e-file, or hand delivery, and keep a copy. Why it matters. Radar and LIDAR units must be tested and maintained to be reliable. Agencies often keep logs for tuning fork checks, LIDAR test shots, or other verification routines. If those records are missing, outdated, or don't match the device used, you have something to raise with the judge. If the records arrive and look solid, great. You're still learning how the officer measured speed and where. That helps you focus your defense on sight lines, signage, or pacing instead of fighting the device itself. Some courts even use standardized certificates for speed device design and construction. If your jurisdiction has a specific rule, learn what the certificate must include and compare it to what you received. No discovery in your area? You can still ask the prosecutor or officer for the calibration certificate informally at or before the hearing. Quick pit stop. Want my discovery request template tailored for speeding cases? Comment calibration and tell me your state. Trick 1. Win with Dashcam and a timeline. Bring your own video. Sync the timestamp to the moment the officer first observed you, not just the stop itself. Then build a simple diagram. Your lane, the officer's position, nearby cars, curves, hills, and the posted speed limit. Mark where the officer claims you were speeding and where the measurement occurred. Narrate the clip in plain language. Point out a hidden sign, a truck blocking the view, a short downhill stretch, merging traffic that required brief acceleration, or an unsafe spot to stop that explains your actions. If the device was pacing, show when the patrol car matched your speed and how long that lasted. If it was LIDAR or radar, show possible reflections, crowded lanes, or angles that could complicate a clean reading. You're not making excuses. You're giving the judge concrete facts to evaluate. Courts regularly consider documentary evidence like photos, diagrams, and video, especially when you submit it with your written statement or bring it to the hearing. Here's how to stack the 3. Paper first. Use a written contest or a continuance to buy time and organize. Proof next. Request calibration records and the officer's notes so you know the exact claim. Video last. Present your dashcam and diagram to create reasonable doubt or context that reduces the penalty. If discovery doesn't arrive by the deadline, politely ask the judge to exclude late documents or continue the case so you can review them. If it does arrive, use it to focus your argument on something the paperwork can't show: visibility, traffic flow, or the sign that was blocked by branches. Recap in 10 seconds. 3. Dispute on paper where allowed or get a continuance. 2. Request calibration, certificates, and notes. 1. Bring Dashcam plus a clear timeline. You're not powerless. Use the rules, not roadside debates. Be respectful, be organized, and speak to the evidence. Ready for the next step? Binge our Driving Rights and Tips playlist for scripts, templates, and case-winning examples. Subscribe now so the next ticket meets a smarter you.